really am sorry if you're seeing me in the same shirt for multiple videos because I'm doing like a bulk filming day to where I film like 3 or 4 videos at a time, so I'm wearing the same hoodie. But it's a really cute hoodie. It's got like this tribal printing on it. It's awesome. I got it like years ago off of a something kind of like a Wish website, but it wasn't Wish. I forgot the name of it. Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. My name is Kenzie. If you did not know that, now you know. And you guys, today we are diving into a new subscription box. Like I know, like oh, hello. I have a few, but you guys, we're gonna get into this. I was so freaking excited. I saw this first on Crystal Clear's makeup Insta story, so I'll have her name right down here, and I saw this on her story and I was just like, what? That looks real dope. So I actually went directly to the website and ordered it. So I have a problem. But the subscription box that we are going to be talking about today, you guys, is called FACETORY. And if you do not know what this is, it is a monthly subscription box where it sends you face masks. Like, I love me a good face mask. So if you'd like to see the January unboxing of this box, then keep on watching. Little disclaimer before we get started, I am not affiliated with FACETORY in any way, shape, form, or fashion. I did buy this on my own. It was not sent to me for free or anything like that. I just bought it with my own money on my own, and now I have it. So we're gonna review it. I believe know what's in here because it does show you on the website. You have an option between the 7 face mask, which is the one that I got, the 7, and you have a 4 option, I believe, and the 4 one is like $8 or something, and then this one I believe is, let me check because I don't know. The 4 pack is $8.90 a month, and then the 7 is $19.90 a month. So 20 bucks a month for 7 face masks, and I've heard these are really good ones too, so that's not too shabby. Let's go ahead, open her up here. I actually have not even opened this. I've cut the tape, but I haven't even seen what it looks like. Oh, that's cute. It says on the top here, it says just keep glowing. That's adorable. And then right here it has a little pamphlet that says Ready, Set, Glow. Everybody has like a cosmos theme going on, and I'm so here for it. I love it so much. Like space, astrology, astronomy, cosmos theme. I hope that never goes away, if I'm being totally honest. I love it. Because you know, I love astrology and mythology and all that good stuff, so I'm just like, I'm here. I don't know. And then it has this really nice teal blue paper. I love the teal with the pink combination going on. Do I take this whole thing out, or I guess I can. Okay, so here's your little pamphlet as to tell you which ones that you did receive. So, and I believe it maybe tells you, yeah, the price of all of them as well. So this one right here, this is the first one, and this is by the FACETORY brand. I'm not sure if all of these are by the FACETORY brand or if they kind of have different suppliers of each kind of like face mask company and they just like get different ones. I'm not entirely sure how that works, but this one's really, really cute. It's called a Moon Velvet Moisturizing Cream Mask. And that packaging is beautiful. Again, starry themed. It has this gorgeous blue and little stars at the top. And this one says, pamper yourself during a night in the moon. What? Pamper yourself during a night in with the Moon Velvet Moisturizing Mask. The eco-friendly tinsel sheet mask hugs the contours of your face with a creamy essence. Use this during the nighttime to wake up with velvety soft skin. So, okay, so it's not an overnight mask. I just looked. It's not an overnight mask. So it has shea butter and it has sodium hyaluronate. I'm not sure how to pronounce that, but here is what it says on the back right here. And so that's the first one that we have, and yeah, this one is from FACETORY, and this one does retail for $4. Next up we have a 2 or a 3-step mask. Actually, look at that. So a 3-step face mask, and these, oh, one thing I do need to point out, forget if I'm wrong, please let me know, but I do believe these are Korean skincare products. Does it say anywhere on the back? I don't know, but I do believe these are Korean skincare products. I think some of them are anyways. I'm not seeing on here where it says that, but I swear I thought it was, because on the back here, this right here is in Korean. Like this is Korean. This down here is Korean. So these may be in part Korean skincare or Korean skincare. I'm just ignorant and I don't know. Yeah, made in Korea right there. I found it. So here is the second one, and it looks like here's a step 1 right here, step 2, and step 3. So I'm excited. I've never used a 3-step or a step kind of face mask. All I've usually done is just taken out of the packaging and like flopped it on my face. But this one seems to be it says Vita Pearl Mask. This 3-step mask is the perfect mask to take on any new journeys. Using mini pearl extracted ingredients, this mask will provide you with a brighter, more even skin tone. Step 1, step 2, step 3. So it is a 3-step mask. I'm super excited about that. Can't wait to try this one out. Next up here is another one that is a Korean. This one is made in Korea as well. And I do believe this one is this is another step, like it's a 2-step mask. And this one is this. It's a Blooming Cell Pink Peel 2-step mask at home, and then it has all the instructions right down here. Now, this one's actually entirely in Korean, so I can't actually read this one. I'm assuming it. Let me see. Okay, here it is. So here's English instructions right here. Another multi-step mask. We hope this multi-step mask gives you the glow and confidence you need to ready, set, glow for the new year. So it does show what to do on these ones, and it says this one has green tea extract and honey extract as well, which is dope. This one right here does retail for $3.50. I forgot to mention that, and this one retails for $5. So this is the most expensive one so far. Super excited. Next up, we have one that's nice in a purple package. I love me some purple. This one is by Coscody. I believe that's how you say it. Coscody. And this is a Propolis Blanc Cell Mask. Again, I can't really read all that well. Lightweight propolis extract absorbs quickly to improve, heal, and be well nourished for clear, radiant skin. So this one does look to be Korean skincare as well. And this one again is all in Korean. So I will have to refer to this little guy to figure out what to do. This one has propolis, which is a great anti-inflammatory agent that helps in soothing, healing, and balancing out your skin. I need that because you guys know what my skin does, like you've seen it. And then it has Trehalose. I don't know this word right there. Contains hydrating, water binding properties that help the skin retain its moisture. And this one does retail for $4 as well. And I'm so excited. I need to like calm down. Next up is the one that I was actually looking forward to the most, because this one does seem to be the most like, okay, so this one literally has no parabens, no alcohol, no mineral oil, no silicone, no artificial fragrance, no pigment, no xylanthanol, and no talc, no PEG, and no hold on. It has none of those. Do you see that? It has none of those, which I am so here for. I can't tell you how excited I am about this. And this one is also Korean skincare, and this one does have instructions in English on the back, but here is what this one looks like on the front. It says really pretty light kind of mint green, fresh forward. I think the tea tree may be the company name. And then it has on the back here some instructions as well as like their commitment and how to actually put on the mask. It says that it has tea tree oil, leaf oil, chamomilla extract, and Centella. Okay, so the brand is called Riel Beauty Lab, R-A-E-L, Riel Beauty Lab, and let's fresh forward this year, starting off with your skin. Using no artificial fragrance or harsh ingredients, great for sensitive skin. Ding, ding, ding. This Riel Tea Tree Mask will purify and soothe your skin. So I'm super excited. Again, this one really seems to be right up my alley because it does help with inflammatory skin or kind of like redness. So super excited about that. Two more here. We're down to our last two. This one right here seems really interesting because it has, okay, So it has a picture of a snail on it, okay? Let me tell you why that's interesting. If you don't know this, I do believe, correct me if I'm wrong, but I do believe that Korean skincare, Japanese skincare, stuff like that, Asian skincare in general, they do rely on like snail stuff. Like I know Tarte did a video when she came back from Thailand on a skincare product that had like snail essence in it, or like snail slime or something like that, and she pulled it apart and it was like really sticky. I'm curious to see if that's the same kind of property in this, because if it is, I'm so excited to try it. It says escargot. Look at it. It says escargot caviar repairing mask. I hope this has like, that sounds so weird. I hope it has snail parts in it. Like, no, not snail parts, but like the essence. Like, you know, it's supposed to be really good for you. This sheet mask contains luxurious ingredients such as escargot and caviar to help repair your skin, slow down the aging process, as well as make your sheet masking experience extra special. So this has nope, I can't say that. Literally, it's the ingredient. The ingredient comes from snail filtrate and contains skin repairing properties to firm, brighten, and moisturize your skin. So it does have like snail essence in here. I'm so happy. And then it has caviar extract, which contains anti-aging properties and helps to prevent collagen breakdown. So excited about this. This one does retail for $4.50. I'm stoked about that. And last up here, last but not least, we have one that's kind of different shaped. And this one is a anti-wrinkle whitening Vita Cocktail Foil Mask Brightening Intensive Whitening. It says intense. Hopefully it's not too intense. And this looks like to be by the brand Benobaji. Correct me if I'm wrong, right here. And then on the back here is what it says as well. This one again is all in Korean, so I will have to refer back to this right here. And this one is $4 as well. And this says the Benobaji mask will get you in a festive mood with this silver outer foiling made to seal in all the nourishing ingredients. Ooh, interesting. And again, I can't read these, so let me just zoom you in. Right here, that this one and this one, it has those two in it. You guys, I'm stoked. I'm so freaking excited to try all these masks, you guys. I really am. I love masks and I love skincare, and I used to not like skincare or really, you know, care about it all that much. But since I've gotten into doing Instagram and doing, you know, YouTube, and my skin has really been having some issues recently, as you probably know from seeing previous videos, but like now I'm like super into it and I love it a lot. But I'm excited. I can't wait to get more of these in the future. I think this is a really, really cute idea if you're into skincare, if you're into face masks, if you like, you know, if you like doing them just for the fun of it and, you know, for relaxation purposes. Absolutely. I think it's great. I think it's really, really good. For like 7 skin masks for it was $19.90. It's actually not even 20 bucks, so it's really not that bad. I think it's a really good price. But yeah, you guys, that is the January box of FACETORY. I'm super excited. I'll have them linked down below and everything. But yes, you guys, want to go ahead and end the video here. If you did like it, then go ahead and click up that like button for me and subscribe if you want to. If you want to see the videos that I post, and when I post them, click the little bell down at the bottom there. Again, my name is Kenzie. I hope you have a great rest of your day, and I will see you tomorrow. Bye-bye.